Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a Facebook musical story. So, what you must do is open your Facebook and click create story. Once you've done that, on the top you can see is the very first thing where it says music. Click on it and here you can see all the music that's recommended to you, but you can browse by category or even for a birthday or whatever. But let's just try and find something we like by artist. So you can see if I write the name of the artist, I get all of his songs or just the artist himself. And let's just add this song. And as you can see, when we add it, it's actually now playing. You can't hear it. I'm just gonna increase the volume for a bit. As you can see, I don't want any more of it because we might get copyright. It's going to play some of the song and it will play out the words as well, and you can change the color from here as well. You can play around a bit more as well. You can tag people, you can add different effects, etc. You can add a sticker if you want, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Now we share. Wait for it to load. And once it does, I'm not gonna wait for it. It will just display what we created previously. Oh, it's finishing up. Okay, we're gonna load it up. I just want to show you the final result so you can see how it will be with yours as well. And done. Now it's shared. Now we can open this, scroll a bit, and there it is. There is our story that we just created. And I hope this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.